Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel, viewers. In today's video I will be showing you how to make pasta with broccoli and spinach and peas in a nice white cheese sauce. So stay tuned and watch the video on how to make this. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're just going to boil some water into a pan. We're going to add 500 grams of penne pasta and leave that to boil for 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt whilst the pasta is boiling. A few drops of oil. So in another pan I am boiling about 900 grams of broccoli and we're going to boil that for about 5 to 8 minutes. The pasta has been boiling for about 8 minutes now. I'm going to leave it on there for a few more minutes just so that it's nice and soft. Okay, so it's been about another 3 minutes and the pasta is cooked. So we're going to drain this now. I'm going to rinse it out with cold water. Okay, so the broccoli has been boiling for about 6 to 8 minutes now and we're just going to drain this. Okay, so what I've done is I've added 3 tablespoons of butter, I've added 1 medium-sized onion and I'm just frying those onions on here and letting them simmer. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes since we've been letting these onions simmer. I'm just going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic into here and just give that a good mix. I'm going to add in the pasta now and give that a good mix. Add the broccoli and give that a good mix. I've added in some peas. Okay, so we're now going to make the white sauce. So I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Once the butter has been melted, we'll add the plain flour in and just whisk that and keep it on low heat. So slowly add in the milk, keep it on low heat and keep whisking it to ensure that you don't get any lumps in the white sauce. Okay, so I've been whisking this for about 5 minutes. I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper, some salt and parsley, and whilst whisking that, once I get that thick, creamy sort of texture, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some grated cheese and just mix that all together. Okay, and we're just going to pour in that white sauce into the pasta, just so all those flavours mix in really nicely and well, and then we're going to give that a mix. I'm going to add in 3.5 blocks of frozen spinach. Leave it on low heat so that can cook nicely. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook on here on low heat for about 5 minutes. I've added half more teaspoon of salt in here and I'm going to give that a mix. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. The spinach is cooked nicely in there. I'm going to add some crushed chilies to give it that extra kick of flavour. I'm going to give that a mix and here we have it. It's ready. So let's get this served and I can let you know how this actually tastes. Oh wow, look at that. That smells absolutely amazing. Now viewers, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification so you can stay up to date with my recipes. Thank you for watching. Let's tuck in and have this first bite for my viewers. I'm going to tell you how this tastes. So the first bite for my beautiful viewers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That tastes so good. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching my recipe today. I'm now going to go away and enjoy the rest of my dinner. Thank you for watching and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.